today. East Fort Lauderdale. Looking at a old American Standard service call. Again, same day service. Give you guys a sneak peek real quick. Connecting my gauges. And I got here, turn unit on, compressor turning on and off. Do have some low pressure switches in there, so most likely that's what it is, but we'll move forward with this diagnosis, see what's going on and what we find based on my pressures. Stabilized pressures right here, as you could see. It's low on gas, low on refrigerant, I should say. We take a look at this unit, try and find the age, type of refrigerant, but that starts with a 4, so I already know it's a 410A system. Starts with a 4. Age right here, 2007. So let's take a look and see what's going on. See right there, say 410A. We're gonna do the service, see what's going on. What I'm doing is a visual for any oil residue coming out of the condenser, filter dryer. Just looking for oil residue somewhere around this unit. Usually right where the aluminum meets the copper in these spine fin coils, could get a leak there. Let's see, no oil residue. So we'll dig a little deeper before I get this thing up and running. As you can see, a lot of rust here around the side glass. Rust, corrosion here on the copper, but still no oil. Again, the proper way is to do a leak search, but we look for that oil residue because refrigerant have oil. But here we go, big find. That was repaired there before. See, this has a stain on it, so we did have oil here before. It's looking, definitely repair was done here. But this is the old leak. Not seeing anything new right now, but you can see the corrosion all over this copper. Okay. Hey guys, so what we're doing right now is a nitrogen test. Getting some nitrogen in there because this thing was pretty much out of refrigerant, you know. I do believe the leak is right here, you know, but again, this unit is ancient, man. It's 2007, what we got, 17, 10 years, 5, I'm sure this unit is 18 years old. So most likely the leak could be here, might be on that, where that aluminum meet that copper, but we will see. I think we secured the leak. I want you guys to take a look closely. See that? Put a little bit of soap bubble on there. That's done. You guys captured it. Y'all helped me find this leak today. This is an expensive repair, but really recommend it on an 18-year-old system. I'm talking refrigerant at least, man, 10 pounds maybe. 410A. We got a braze, gotta do evacuation. It's really not recommended, so I'll see what the owner want to do with this here. That may be the only leak, as you see all these is also corroding. All these loops right here is corroding. But we will go for this one right now. Could be the only one. We got like 300 pounds, 366 of nitro. Still gonna go check the inside coil. Again, back. Customer wanna move forward with the repairs. Got a very important birthday event tomorrow at the synagogue. Again, we downtown Fort Lauderdale, Broward Boulevard. You know, not a long-time customer, I should say. Very loyal. So we're gonna make this happen for him today. You know, again, it's not recommended 18-year-old to invest $1, not 1 penny. But we understand. Go ahead and make this work. Get some solder going. Wanna keep a light flame. Really light flame. You wanna Already got this unit brazed up. Now we'll do another nitrogen test, check this leak, make sure all these joints is good. So even though this system is an 18-year-old system, we're still going to follow all the right procedures. You know, pull the evacuation. We did a nitro test on that that repair. So we'll go ahead and perform an evacuation on this system. Again, this is temporary repairs, but could last a year, another year. On a normal day, we will recommend replacement of this system. We understand the situation, so we're moving forward with the repair. Doing the evacuation here right now. You see, we hook up both hoses. This big hose just will help. This second hose here will help pull that evacuation down a lot faster. Move this here. We got our vacuum turned on, cranked up. So we're up and running right now. We'll pull the evacuation on this and we'll move on to the next system, which this one right here. We'll move on to this, see if we could get this to run. This is the only system running right now. This one, they're all the same age, so they're kicking. So guys, as you can see, we are all done. We're all finished here with this repair. So pressures. My seats a little better there. That's the old side glass. Again, 18 years old, man. We could only do what we could do with it, you know, but this was a quick repair. You know, still braze, nitro test, do another leak check, evacuation on the system. Pulled on pretty good. So it's up and running. It's all set. It's all set. You can see 1, 2, 3. Need replacement. But we got this one to work. This one is working. And this one I'll check on right now just to see what's going on. I'm not getting 24 volts on my contactor. So I'll take a look at this. Could be low on pressure also. Low on pressure, pressure switch open. You know, I'm not getting 24 to that contactor there. So we'll look at this one too. See what we could do here. Maybe get this unit up and running also. It's a day in the life at AskForCool, man. We showed up for one. Then there's two. Then to the back, I'll show you guys soon. We have another one. There's like 3 repairs, 3 diagnostic fees. We're here at one location.